Hey everyone, Doug here. Let's talk about concepts and locations in meez. So, one of the basic structures of your meez account is the concept, the top level of organizing your content. Go to the admin panel and select concept. Here you can change the name of your concept to the name of your business or your brand, and even add your logo. If you have multiple locations for your concept, you can add those below. Adding your locations is essential if you're bringing in costs from an inventory management system, an EDI feed, or using our invoice processing add-on. If you're opening up a new concept, you can always add another one here. The whole point of concepts is to control access to recipes. So when creating recipes, you'll be prompted to select the concept that it should belong to, and then by adding team members to that concept, they'll see those recipes. So that's the rundown for concepts and locations. If you have any questions at all, please click the question mark at the top right to open up a chat with our support team, or you can email us at support@getmeez.com.